sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you a different version, I guess we could say, of Htop. Now, we're all used to Top, and it's a nice little program. And we're all used to Htop, which is a little bit better. You can do a lot more things down here on the bottom. And I like the layout of this a lot better than the top. But we're going to install a different Htop. And I'll throw the link in the description to my website for these commands. And it's pretty straightforward. So we're just going to download the zip. Then we are going to unzip it. Which with unzip like such. Then we're going to run the D package. Then if you want to create a new config file, you can run this command. So that's it. It's installed, no reboot required, and I'm doing this on a Raspberry Pi 4 right now. So if we run Htop again, pretty much the same down here and over here, but as you can see now, we have temp and frequency. And we have our uptime. So it gives a lot more detail to what we had before. So I figured I'd just share this, but it is nice that it shows this information over here. So hopefully this kind of helps out, gives people a little bit better option when it comes to Htop or Top. This one here, I do like the fact that it does have the following information here. So, all right, that's it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.